this is where I want to tell you a story from a different industry that I think will help you in the form of an analogy to get ready to deal with these new problems that the industry is facing. And let's say a number of years ago, I was called in to help a large law enforcement agency design a system to do criminal gang analysis. They wanted to better understand who was in the gang, how they were connected, and what they were doing. And they were used to using certain kinds of data, right? In law enforcement and national security circles, just like in commercial aviation, they have data that they're very used to and comfortable with. And there's an old saying that says, the best place to solve a problem is probably not where the light is best, right? If the light is shining brightest somewhere, there probably aren't a whole lot of problems left to solve there because the light's already there. You want to go off into some place that you're less comfortable, where there's less data to see your problem. And that was what they were facing, is they didn't really have a way to link these entities together and figure out who was connected to whom and how. And so we started with their shared problem, because this was actually a consortium of dozens of different law enforcement agencies. And I asked them, what is your ultimate goal? And it started with things like, well, we want to stop human trafficking through these gangs. And I had to be kind of the bearer of bad news and say, that's not actually an actionable goal. You can't do that. What do you need to do? What actions do you need to take to make that happen? And we got down to, they wanted to arrest more people, seize more assets, and do it faster. Those are things that you can take action on, right? And that's what I mean about shared problems that are actionable.